Is brought to you in part by the Water and Sewerage Authority. Water, use what you need.
The harsh dry season continues and we have yet another twist. In fact, there's now a meteorological drought warning in effect from the Meteorological Services, and this will be for the period of February, possibly into March as well. Tobago had its driest January on record since the records began in 1969, and Piarco had its fifth driest January on record as well. Now basically, the drought that we are talking about here is a meteorological drought. This relates to rainfall, but there are different types of drought. You can have a hydrological drought, which turns into the amount of rainfall that affects the reservoirs as well as the rivers and streams. And then you can have an agricultural drought where there's very little rainfall in order for you to irrigate crops and therefore feed yourself. So right now we are looking at a meteorological drought warning, and the atmosphere basically remains pretty dry, not much moisture around, and that seems as though that is the way it will continue as we go through not only the next few days but definitely the next few months. So across Tobago, clear and cool conditions through Wednesday morning. There's a chance of a shower or two, but overall it will be mainly sunny as you go through your afternoon. For Trinidad as well, clear and a cool night leads to mainly sunny skies first thing in the morning, maybe a few brief showers first thing as well, but overall the sunshine will dominate your afternoon, especially from the central and the southern areas. There's a chance of a slight shower coming across the hills, but again it's a pretty low chance of that happening. Now temperatures by night, 21 degrees Celsius for Trinidad, 23 in Tobago, highs in Tobago 30 through tomorrow, 32 expected in parts of Trinidad, and will remain warm for Trinidad for the most part as you go through Thursday and Friday, with a few showers around as we go across the hillsides, but for the most part the showers will not be significant, and therefore, and even though every drop counts, most of those showers are not big enough to basically cause any sort of adverse addition to our rain gauge. So it seems as though if you're looking to cool off and head to the beaches, just a moderate breeze out there, east-northeasterly at 15 knots, and a slight chop inshore, 1 to 1.5 meters to the Caribbean, getting close to 2 meters out in the Atlantic. Now across the rest of the Caribbean, they are also wondering about the amount of rainfall that they're likely to get over the next few months, and indeed most areas of the Eastern Caribbean are also under a drought warning or watch. Also up towards the Greater Antilles, they are also seeing less rainfall than they usually get, and that will likely be the trend over the next few weeks and months. It seems as though we should get used to seeing these symbols. Lots of sunshine around across the Windward Islands. Down towards Georgetown, a few brief showers are likely, possibly no higher than 30 degrees Celsius. But for us here, 32 degrees Celsius in Trinidad, 30 in Tobago, feeling hot at times under that sunshine. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.
The weather was brought to you in part by the Water and Sewerage Authority. Water, use what you need.